While we're here, I mentioned before that we have to uninstall the keyboard every time we want to install it. If we do this correctly, that's not the case. So right now we are still on app version 1. So if I were to install app version 1 on my phone, and I try to install another app version 1, it's going to say, well, I can't do that. You already have it. You already have the latest copy. So if I up this and up this, so we're now using, this is now Resembly 1.01, and it is now version 2. If I build this Android app and I try and install it on my phone, it's going to know, oh, that's an upgrade, and it's going to, of that same app, and it's going to install it over the original. So I shouldn't have to, this time, uninstall the app before I reinstall it. And that becomes very important with Android updates, because you're always going forwards. And so you need to make sure that so people can update, your app versions are updating every time you publish the app, so that people with an old version can update to the new version through the Google Play Store or through just downloading the APK file from you. So I'm building that. It is still building. If they were on Google Play, they would download a new copy and it would install. If they get the APK file, then you double click on it again and it will say, oh, I'm going to update this app, and it replaces that app. It handles it properly. Okay, so that has built. So now I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and see if I can actually install this with the keyboard without having to update it. Okay, so I have done that now. And the styling doesn't work, and that's a bug that I'm going to talk about. But so I am here, and you see that it doesn't have the flag, Cameroon flag, but it did get the font correctly, which is good. And so now I can start typing in the language on the keyboard, and I can search for whatever I want in the language, and probably turn off this match whole words every time, and then search again. And so all that should work. My app was 3.9 before without the keyboard, and right now it's 5.2. Yep. And you can actually add both keyboards. You can add the Vizardi and the QWERTY if you wanted to, and when they click in here, there's a button here to switch keyboards if you have more than one.